lovelies, welcome back to another video. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Hope you find a reason to stay. Today I'm going to be unboxing two Oroton bags. Oroton is an Australian brand that offers accessible luxury. It's very well structured and they're well known for their beautiful leather goods, and I cannot wait to share with you the two bags that I have. I picked these bags up from their I think it was their outlet sale, and it was offering, I think it was 20% off and then a further 10% off, so altogether 30% off. And I'm super happy that I finally got these pieces that I'd been eyeing out for a couple of years, if not longer. Let's get into it. We have this beautiful Inez mini day bag, and it is in the color cognac in this beautiful brown tan color. This is a very sleek and stylish bag, and it's just the perfect size for your everyday use. And I don't have a bag that's this color in my collection, and I wanted something that's beautiful, looks timeless, something that you can have and you can carry for your everyday needs. This is made out of 100% soft Saffiano leather. So we've got the front pocket slip, and then when you open it up, you've got that much space inside. It's just the perfect size for your everyday essentials. Then we have a leather adjustable strap as well, if you want to make it a crossbody or carry it in a different way. So on the inside, it has the slip pocket for your phone or for your keys or just your mini sized essentials. The bag also has this beautiful light gold hardware, and then it just has the Oroton logo on it as well. And then it's got these little two clips on either side just to snatch it up. Then it looks like that. Such a beautiful, stunning bag. So cute as well. Cannot wait to use it. Next up, we have this Fort Texture slim clutch bag, and this is in this croc effect leather. This is a beautiful, stunning bag. On the outside, it's got a slip pocket at the back, and then it opens up via this flap. It's like a magnetic flap closure. And then when you open it up, I'll just take the stuffing out. When you open it up, it has this gold twirling canvas inside as the lining, and then it's got another zip pocket as well. The bag looks small, but I think this is the biggest size out of this. It does come in a variety of sizes and colors as well. So does the other bag as well. I think it's about 8 different colors, which makes it perfect. You can find one that you like and prefer. It also has this croc effect leather strap, and then it's got the gold chain hardware as well, so you can carry it in different ways as well. And you can also carry this as a crossbody bag. This is a very elegant, stunning piece. It's something that's very functional, also can be used for your everyday needs. It is spacious enough to throw in quite a lot of things in there. The reason that I got this bag, I'll put a little snippet of my little everyday bag. It's a bag that I have from Forever New. I think it cost me maybe like $40 over 5 years ago, and that is my bag that I carry with me all the time. And I wanted something that's timeless, that is more sustainable, something that I can wear for a much longer time, because that one does have a little bit of wear and tear. So I cannot wait to put this into my collection and to see how I'm gonna style it up. So for storage purposes, both the bags come in these canvas dust bags. This one is canvas. It had the clutch bag, and then I also had the felt bag with the other one as well. I do prefer the canvas bags because they're more durable for your storage purposes, but I am super happy that they both come with storage bags. I'm super happy with both these bags. They're high quality, high-end functional pieces, and I cannot wait to throw them into my collection and see how I style them up. If you haven't checked out Oroton before, please do give them a look. You can find some really amazing pieces. They do sell accessories, clothing, and shoes as well. So you can find a plethora of good quality items as well at an accessible price. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you did enjoy this quick short video. See you in the next one. Bye.